Ever wondered who keeps the digital world in order? Who makes sense of the vast amounts of data we produce every day? That's the job of a database analyst. They are the unsung heroes of our data-driven world, the masterminds who transform jumbled numbers and letters into meaningful insights. Imagine a bustling city with no traffic lights or road signs. That's what a business would look like without a database analyst. They are the traffic controllers of information, ensuring smooth data flow and preventing informational gridlocks. In our world where data is the new oil, these professionals refine it, turning crude information into a valuable resource. They dive into oceans of data, surfacing with pearls of wisdom that can propel businesses forward. Database analysts are crucial in every sector, from healthcare to finance, from marketing to logistics. They are the lifeguards of the digital world. Without them, businesses would be swimming in a sea of unorganized data. Now, what does a database analyst really do? A question that piques curiosity. Well, a database analyst is like the gatekeeper of information, managing, troubleshooting, and maintaining databases. They're the ones ensuring that all the data flowing in and out is accurate, reliable, and secure. Imagine a bustling city with roads filled with cars. The database analyst is like the traffic controller, ensuring that every bit of data, like cars, reaches its appropriate destination without any hitches. They're responsible for setting up databases, modifying data structures as needed, and keeping those databases running smoothly 24/7. They also play a crucial role in securing databases. They're like the guards of a highly secure vault, implementing measures to protect sensitive information from cyber threats. But their job doesn't end there. They also work with teams to troubleshoot any data-related problems and help in creating complex query definitions that allow data to be extracted. In essence, a database analyst makes sure that the right data is in the right place at the right time. So what does it take to become a database analyst, you might wonder? Well, let's dive into the skills and experience needed for this role. You see, being a database analyst is not just about being tech savvy, it's about having a specific set of skills. Firstly, you need to be proficient in SQL, the language used to communicate with databases. This is a non-negotiable skill. You don't just need to know it, you need to master it. Secondly, you need to be a problem solver. Databases can be complex and unpredictable. Solving problems efficiently and effectively is crucial in this role. Additionally, a keen eye for detail is a must. You'll be dealing with a lot of data, and a minor error could lead to significant problems. It's like being a detective, but for databases. On the experience front, having a background in computer science or a related field is a great advantage. And of course, any experience working with databases will be a major plus. So if you love solving puzzles and have a knack for technology, this might just be the role for you. Let's talk about the good, the bad, and the rewarding aspects of being a database analyst. On one hand, the role presents its own set of challenges. Navigating complex data structures can often feel like unraveling an intricate puzzle. Not to mention the immense responsibility of maintaining data security, ensuring that information is not only accessible but also protected. On the flip side, these challenges can be a catalyst for growth. They push you to constantly learn, adapt, and improve. Now let's talk about the benefits. As a database analyst, you're in high demand. Companies across a multitude of industries are on the lookout for professionals who can help them make sense of their data. This translates into a competitive salary and a variety of job opportunities at your disposal. Moreover, the career progression in this field is promising, with possibilities to move into roles like data architect or database manager. Despite the challenges, the rewards make it a fulfilling career choice. So, are you ready to dive into the world of data? The role of a database analyst is a powerful one, filled with responsibilities, rewards, and a few challenges. But with the right skills and experiences, you can wield the power of data to make a real impact. It's a world where you can solve complex problems, collaborate with a dynamic team, and use cutting-edge tools. It's a role that offers competitive salaries, flexible work schedules, and ample opportunities for growth. And if you're wondering where to start, it's never too late to learn. There are countless resources, courses, and degrees available that can equip you with the necessary knowledge. Consider pursuing further education or even a career as a database analyst. But most importantly, stay curious, stay hungry. This is a field that's constantly evolving, and those who keep learning are the ones who thrive. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the exciting world of a database analyst. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out our other videos to continue your exploration of the digital world.